people! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, your unboxing girl, Anna Agustin. So for today's video, we will do another unboxing. First of all, thank you for clicking this vlog. Hope you will stay with me until the end of this video because I'm sure you will love this product that I'll be sharing with you. First of all, let me greet you a happy holidays, guys. Hope everything is fine with you and your family, with your loved ones. Stay safe, enjoy the holiday seasons. So here we go with our unboxing. So this product, guys, is a very innovative and let's say not your ordinary skincare routine. It's a personal skincare that will definitely give you a luxurious skincare experience at the touch of your home. So you will feel like you're in the spa when you use this device. So what's this product? Here we go. I'll be showing with you my unboxing that I've already done. Yeah, unboxing video. From Compare Beauty Devices, only pay for the final results. So I got mine. It's color pink, so I love it. And the only thing is, it is not rechargeable. So every time you use it, it should be plugged in on the electric, plugged in. And then before using it, guys, please read first the instructions. It is written in different languages, especially in English. So you can, the safety warnings, the precautions. So it's better to be safe. So before using this device, please read this manual first. So what are the features of this device, of this Compare Smarkin? Only pay for the final result. First, clinical features. The first one is the radio frequency, which reduces fine lines and tightens your skin. And the second one is the electric muscle stimulator for muscle toning and face lifting. And also it has the LED for non-thermal rejuvenating. And it also has the mask to relieve the pain, the skin pain, and for the beauty effect. So that's the Compare Smarkin, guys, has their application for us to be guided in base of our skin type, in base of what kind of treatment do we need. So you can download this app through App Store or Google Play Store. It's for free, guys. Installing is free, so download it so you will be guided through this app in using this device, and we can also check every now and then there if there's an improvement to our skin. So I'll be showing with you my screen record of how I install my application, my Compare Health application. So here we go. be doing also the 21 days challenge using this device. So I'll be recording myself day by day and showing the differences before and after. So I can update you guys on my journey with using Comper Smarkin. Comper beauty devices only pay for the final result. So I'm so excited, guys, for the final result. So I'll be showing with you. Hope you will stay with me in my journey with Comper Smarkin and seeing on my next vlog. Thank you for staying with me and thank you for watching. Please do subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you, Comper Smarkin. Thank you, Beauty Devices, Comper Beauty Devices. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.